This is the Daily Market Comment by Raf Boyajian. I'm Cristina Marujos, and thank you for joining us at XM.com. Markets were in a much more cheerful mood on Thursday as some of the gloom around a deepening global energy crisis, soaring inflation, and never-ending supply disruptions was lifted. An intervention by Russia's President Vladimir Putin to ease Europe's natural gas shortage by offering to boost exports to the continent sparked a sharp pullback in UK and European gas contracts, dragging oil prices lower too. Although Britain's and the EU's energy woes are far from being resolved, some of the panic appears to have dissipated for now on hopes that there is the political will to de-escalate the power crisis. WTI oil snapped its four-day winning streak to retreat from 7-year highs on Wednesday, extending its losses to more than 5% today. Energy stocks took a hit, but the rest of the equity market was in a buoyant mood. The S&P 500 reversed sharply higher, having slumped at the open to close up by 0.4%. Tech stocks rebounded as well, helping the Nasdaq Composite add 0.5%. Shares in Asia and Europe also turned green today, with U.S. stock futures pointing to solid gains at the open. But there was relief for the markets on other fronts too. The U.S. Senate looks set to vote later today on a bill that would allow the Democrats to temporarily lift the debt ceiling until December, following a deal with the Republicans. Although lawmakers would have to address the issue again in a couple months' time, the deal does at least remove the immediate threat of the U.S. government defaulting on its debt. Meanwhile, reports that President Biden and Chinese leader Xi Jinping have agreed to hold a virtual meeting before the year end further calm the heightened market anxiety of recent days. In the currency markets, the US dollar drifted slightly lower as expectations of Fed tapering and lingering risks to the global economy kept the losses in check. The euro and pound were struggling to maintain positive momentum, inching marginally higher against the greenback today. The Australian dollar bounced back strongly from yesterday's low to briefly top the $0.73 level earlier today. In addition to the improved risk appetite, the relaxation of lockdown restrictions in Australia further bolstered the Antibodian currency. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching at XM.com.
You